What is that first thing that comes to your mind when you hear the word acid or base? Acids are substances that donate protons, or what we call hydrogen ions. And these acids, they typically have a sour taste. For example, lemon juice. Then bases are substances that accept protons or that produce hydroxide ions. These bases, they feel slippery, and an example is soap. Now, what could be some of those substances you think can be categorized under acids and bases respectively? Of course, we already said we have lemon juice as an example of acid. We can have soda as another example of acid, and we can have vinegar, among others. Then for bases, we already mentioned soap. We can also have baking soda. We can have bleach, among others. Now, I want us to look at the pH scale. The pH scale is a tool for measuring acids and bases. This pH scale ranges from 0 to 14. From 0 to 6, it is acidic. 7 is neutral. Then 8 to 14 is basic. And this pH scale is logarithmic. Each whole number change on the scale represents a 10-fold change in the hydrogen ion concentration. Let's look at some of the examples that could fall under the 3 categories of the pH scale. When we talk of acidic, remember we gave some examples of acids, so those can fall under acidic, yes. And then neutral, we have pure water. Then under basic, remember the examples we already gave, where we had baking soda, where we had soap. And someone may ask, why do I need to know about these things? Why do I need to know about acids? Why do I need to know about bases? Why do I need to know about the pH? All these are applicable in many different ways. For example, in agriculture, where we have fertilizers, in chemical industries, where we have the pharmaceuticals, in food preservation, yes, we use some acids to preserve our food. Yeah, and many other applications. So these things are so much important. And maybe what I had talked about the pH. Remember, the pH influences the availability of nutrients within the soil that falls under agriculture. Yes. So these are some of the applications of bases, acids, and pH. Now let's translate what we have learned into a song, and I know you will like it. Acids are substances that donate protons, while bases are substances that accept protons. Acids are substances that donate protons, while bases are substances that accept protons. Acids have a sour taste like lemon juice, while bases feel slippery like soap. Acids have a sour taste like lemon juice, while bases feel slippery like soap.